Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of my favorite topics, capturing beautiful family memories through photos. But here's the twist, we're starting with what not to do. Why? Because I've been there. I've made all the mistakes, overthinking every shot, forcing my son to pose endlessly, and stressing over perfect photos. Trust me, it's not worth the frustration. Hi, I'm Rose, and as a mom, a creative entrepreneur, and someone who's always juggling family life and my own passions, I know what it's like to feel overwhelmed and busy. But I also know this time moves so fast. Before we know it, the little moments, the ones that matter most, can slip away. And that's why I've made it my mission to capture them. Not perfectly, but beautifully. In this video, I'm sharing easy, practical photography tips for moms, aunts, uncles, anyone who loves capturing their family's precious moments. We'll talk about common mistakes and how to fix them. And by the end, you'll feel more confident about capturing memories that truly feel magical. Let's get started. Okay, mistake number one, overposing. I used to think that if I could just get my son to smile and stand perfectly still, I'd have the perfect photo. But guess what? Kids hate posing. And those photos end up looking stiff and unnatural. Instead, try capturing candid moments. Think about the last time your kids were laughing together or playing outside. Those moments are so much more magical than a forced smile. So the next time you're taking photos, give your kids something to do, like blowing bubbles, jumping on the bed, or telling each other jokes. Capture the movement and the joy. I promise, those photos will be the ones you treasure the most. Let me show you an example. Here, I ask my son to smile and pose for the camera. Not very successful, right? Now, look at the difference when I let him blow bubbles or ride his bike. See how much more fun, natural, and monumental the candid shots look? Now, let's talk about chasing perfection. I'll admit it, I used to delete photos like crazy. A blurry shot, gone. A crooked angle, nope. But here's the thing, those imperfections are your family's story. Let me show you an example. This set of photos is one of my favorite photos ever. Here, I randomly asked my husband to take a photo of us before turning the lights off for bedtime. I remember this day being so much fun for the three of us, and those smiles were the residue of that joyful day. We're not wearing fancy clothes, the lighting is not the best, and some are even blurry. It's not perfect, but it's us. The joy, the coziness, and the magic of the moment was captured, so I kept these photos. Now, when I look at it, I love it. It might not be technically perfect, but it tells a story. One day, we'll look back at this photo and smile, reminiscing about that fun day together. Sometimes, it's not about perfection, it's about preserving the moment. When you're reviewing your photos, don't focus on the flaws. Look for the feeling. Does the photo make you smile or laugh? If so, it's worth keeping. And remember, a few quick edits can enhance those imperfections and make them even more special. Lighting can make or break a photo. And the best part, it's free. I used to take photos indoors under harsh overhead lights and wonder why they looked so dull. Here's the secret. Natural light is your best friend. Take photos near a window or head outside during the golden hour. That's the dreamy time after sunrise or before sunset when the light is soft and flattering. If you're indoors, turn off harsh lights and use a nearby window. And here's a pro tip. Position your kids so they're facing the light for those beautiful glowing faces. Lastly, mistake number 4, forgetting the story. Photos are more than just pretty pictures. They're about preserving memories. I used to take random shots without thinking about what I wanted to remember about the moment. But here's how I fixed it. Before taking a photo, I asked myself, what's the story here? Is it the precious moment when my son gave me these cute flowers? Or the way my family's laughter echoes on a calm afternoon? When you focus on the story, your photos will naturally feel more meaningful. Sorry, just a quick little disclaimer. I am in no way saying that you should spend all your time taking perfect photos instead of actually enjoying the moment. Not at all. The reason I'm sharing these tips is because friends and family often ask how we capture our photos and videos, and over time, we've picked up little tricks, and many of them by accident. We've made tons of mistakes along the way. Seriously, every mistake I mentioned, we've done all of them. So there's absolutely no judgment here. I am right there with you. But I also know how fulfilling it feels when I manage to take a beautiful photo of my family. It's not about perfection. It's just that we as humans naturally appreciate capturing moments in a way that feels meaningful. That said, my husband and I have a little system that helps us balance capturing memories and being fully present. So before we go out or travel, we make a quick shot list of things we'd love to capture. Just a few key moments we don't want to forget. Once that's done, we put our camera or our phones away and just enjoy ourselves. We only take them out when there's a truly special moment we want to capture. So yes, I believe in capturing moments, not perfectly, but beautifully. But I also believe in living those moments first. It's not about creating content just for social media. It's about preserving memories that matter. I just wanted to be super clear on that, so again, you don't make the same mistake I did. Okay? Disclaimer's over. Now, back to the video. So there you have it. 4 mistakes to avoid and simple ways to fix them. Remember, capturing family memories isn't about perfection. It's about love, laughter, and all the beautiful chaos in between. Now, which of these tips will you try first? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your favorite family memories. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more photography tips and inspiration. See you in the next one. Bye!